Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Unleashed podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Leo, and I'm very happy to be here with you today. I'm feeling great today. I don't feel tired like last time. I had a very good sleep last night, and I had my green tea this morning. It was a really good morning. I also have my big warm coffee here, and the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day to learn English. Today, we have a very important topic. It's something everyone needs. It's usually the first step when you meet a new person. Today, we are talking about how to introduce yourself. Introducing yourself is very important. When I meet a new person, sometimes I feel a little nervous. My heart goes boom, boom, boom. And that's normal. Everyone feels a little nervous. But think about it this way. Introducing yourself is like a key. It opens the door to a new friendship or even a new job. Before we begin, I have a small favor to ask. If you like our chats, please click the like button. It really helps us. And don't forget to subscribe to the English Unleashed podcast. We want to make many more podcasts for you. And when you subscribe, it helps the channel grow. Also, please share this with your friends who are learning English. All right, let's start. The first tip is something very simple but very powerful. Smile and use good body language. Just like we talked about in our confidence episode, a smile and good posture make a big difference when you say hello. So, you walk to a person, you smile, and you say hello. But then, what do you say next? The most